Welcome to Horizon Industries. We are the premier wiper converting company of East Texas. With federal and private industry contracts, our products are distributed worldwide. At Horizon, we convert, pack, and ship over 4 million pounds of industrial wipers and over 30,000 miles of paracord annually. With high-speed converting equipment, overhead cranes, fork truck traffic, and blind and visually impaired employees, it's easy to see why safety is a top priority at Horizon Industries. As a visitor, supplier, or contractor in our facility, our focus in safety awareness around our mechanical equipment, as well as working in conjunction with visually impaired employees, is paramount for your safety and ours, as well as being the necessary cornerstone of a successful operation. Our facility is ISO 9001-2008 certified. We take great pride in our operations and products, but it's our people that matter most. Therefore, your attention to our safety procedures is of the utmost importance, not only to you, but to our team. If you are here to perform repairs, construction, or other hands-on work, you must be pre-approved through our Contractor Safety Program, in addition to watching this video. You must be pre-approved through our Safety Manager if you are going to perform energy control and lockout, use and disposal of chemicals, welding and burning, work performed above 4 feet, and confined space entry. Confined space in our plant may include electrical rooms, vacuum pump rooms, air compressor rooms, and certain pieces of converting equipment. If you think these places will apply to your work here at Horizon Industries, please contact the Safety Manager to arrange a meeting prior to any work at our facility. Personal protective equipment. Everyone entering the plant must wear PPE, or personal protective equipment, when and where it is appropriate. Closed-toed shoes are required anywhere on the Horizon plant floor. Other PPE such as steel-toed shoes, gloves, and safety glasses are required in designated areas. Please pay attention to all posted warning signs that list required PPE in designated areas. Hearing protection and dust masks are available, but are not required anywhere in our facility. Mobile equipment traffic. Upon entering the plant, one of the first things you may notice is the vehicle and pedestrian traffic. Fork trucks could be moving finished or raw goods, especially around production lines with loads as heavy as 2,200 pounds. Our drivers will keep an eye out for you and aid your awareness with visual and audio cues. At all times, be mindful, watch your surroundings, and stay in the designated pedestrian walkways. The majority of our team is made up of visually impaired and fully blind individuals. When working in close proximity with visually impaired individuals, take extra care to be mindful of your equipment. Ladders and any other stationary equipment used in a pedestrian walkway must be communicated clearly to the Safety Manager prior to work beginning. We will notify our visually impaired staff of changes in the work environment. All equipment must be with you at all times. To prevent possible trip hazards, nothing should be left unattended in these areas. Chemical risks. Safety data sheets, or SDS, are available for all hazardous chemicals used throughout Horizon Industries. Any chemical needed for your work in our facility must be approved by the Safety Manager, and we must have an SDS for that chemical before it is used. In the event of any chemical spills or safety issues, please contact our Safety Manager immediately. If needed, eye wash stations are clearly marked and located throughout the building. No cell phones or cameras. At Horizon Industries, we strive to provide a safe working environment for all of our visitors and employees. For your protection and the protection of others, cell phone use is prohibited anywhere on the plant floor unless it directly relates to the work you are doing. Examples of prohibited use include responding to personal phone calls or texts, playing music or games, and taking personal pictures or videos. Mechanical equipment safety. If you will be performing work on or around any of our machinery, be conscious of moving parts and pinch points associated with the equipment. Potential energy hazards may be present during your trip to our facility. At Horizon Industries, we use a lockout-tagout system to ensure electrical safety when performing maintenance upon mechanical equipment. If you observe any safety issues or concerns, please bring them immediately to the attention of your guide or plant contact. You can also notify any employee. They will know how to respond and who to direct you to. Please report any and all injuries or near misses, no matter how small. We have trained and certified first responders throughout the facility and fully stocked first aid and AED equipment on hand in case of any emergency. Emergency procedures. In case of a fire, severe weather, or any other emergency situation that requires the evacuation of the building or the need to seek shelter, an alarm will sound. Once you hear the alarm, immediately stop what you are doing and listen to the instructions that accompany the alarm tone. If an evacuation is needed, please use the nearest exit and join the group of employees nearest to you at either the front or back parking lot. We will account for all visitors during the emergency evacuation. Do not leave the premises until notifying a member of management. If you need help finding where to go, please ask any employee. Please be aware that communication about any emergency situation may also be given verbally. Horizon Industries complies with all applicable federal occupational safety and health administration standards. Our team knows that the success of our safety and health program depends on management and all employees as a whole. The objective of Horizon's health and safety program is to reduce or eliminate disabling injuries and illnesses. Further, it is the policy of Horizon Industries to exercise all precautions necessary to protect employees from all accidents. Management firmly believes that all accidents are preventable. Managers and supervisors are responsible for developing safety awareness in themselves and in those they supervise. Our management team ensures that all operations are performed with the utmost regard for safety and health. Employees and visitors are expected to follow the rules, and understanding our policies and procedures for these areas of safety is critical. If you have any questions, please ask before proceeding into our production areas. Now to get your visit underway. By now, you should have already signed in with our reception area and been given a visitor's badge that you will be required to wear at all times when on East Texas Lighthouse for the Blind property. At East Texas Lighthouse for the Blind, we are committed to safety. Our safety goal for all staff is S. Stop. A. Accidents. F. From. E. Ever. T. Taking place. Y. Yes, we can. Stop accidents from ever taking place.
We put a strong emphasis on safety here at Horizon Industries, and we want to ensure that all employees, blind, visually impaired, and sighted, feel safe at work and have a solid understanding of the safety policies and procedures put in place by our organization. Our safety video helps us as an organization ensure that contractors and visitors are also well informed of our safety guidelines and regulations. Our expectation is that all employees, contractors, and visitors take responsibility in following the safety guidelines and procedures that our company has put in place. It is Horizon's responsibility to ensure that all policies and procedures are in place and updated based on changing business needs and workplace conditions. Thank you for watching the safety video. We look forward to a long, safe working relationship.